You've probably seen pictures of koalas looking sleepy, peaceful, even cuddly. But have you ever heard one? The truth is, it might surprise you. Koalas make a deep, guttural bellow, something closer to a pig or a snoring bear than a soft, furry marsupial. It's a sound you feel more than you expect. This call is usually made by males during mating season. It echoes through the trees, letting other koalas know who's nearby and who's claiming the territory. And while it sounds intense, it's perfectly natural. Koalas use this low-frequency growl because it travels well through the forest canopy, even at night, when they're most active. So next time you think of a koala as quiet or shy, just remember, these tree-dwelling marsupials have a voice all their own. Sometimes the forest has a growl, even when you don't see it coming.